So having nothing to do with the indications, well, actually a little bit to do with the indications, but having very relative little to do with the indications, I'm going to take a long position here, and I'll show you why. This is strictly based on the chart. First, let me set my trailing stop. And this is strictly based on the chart. What I've seen here is the overwhelming trend of the day has been down. And after this really long drop, we had a pretty sharp rally, and then the market came back down again. Very, very strong, very quick. You can see here that it moved about 3 points in a matter of minutes. So because of that, I feel like we're going to get a retraction or a reaction move to that previous downward move. And I believe that we're going to find the chart making an elbow on the bottom side. So because I have a good amount of profit in the box, I'm willing to take this risk. And as you can see, the Excalibvr background has again changed to green, which would support my long position. And the future projection on our chart is forming that bottom side elbow that I was talking about. So whether it happens in the next few minutes or not, I believe the market will rise from here, and I believe I'll be able to profit from the scalp. Now, one thing you'll notice is I didn't put an average point here. I'm not going to average this position. This is a risky proposition. The overwhelming trend of the day has been down, and since, I don't know, the middle of the day, we've been headed upward from the lows of the day. But I'm not going to fight this on the way down. If the position doesn't work, I'm not going to average down. I will just eventually get out. But I don't think that's going to be the way that this trade ends. I really believe we're going to rise from here at least another point or so. And if we can get one more pip up, my stop loss will become a trailing order, and I will have locked in a certain level of profit, and the order will trail the market automatically. Now, if you'll take notice on the chart, I'll move it over. I'll move the screen over just a little bit so you can get a better picture of what I'm talking about. There was a rise here, and as the market starts to come down, it really rests right on the edge of these moving averages, the series of moving averages, which acts as sort of a quasi-support, as you can see. That's where the elbow was formed. It was formed with a very strong V, which is a very strong indication that the market will continue to rise. And on top of that, it stopped going down. The market stopped going down just as it was about to break through these average lines. Now, it doesn't always work that way, but a lot of times you'll see these average lines creating faux resistance or faux support. And this is not a great indication. The fact that the future projection is pointing down slightly. So I'm going to place my closed position order just to make sure nothing terrible happens here. And I will wait until the trailing order hits or the closed position order hits. We can get a single more pip. There we go. My trailing order has just, or my stop loss has just become a trailing order, and you can see it trailing the market manually there, or automatically there, rather. I was able to put away a good amount of profit by capitalizing on what I saw the market was about to do. Not so much by using the indications together, but more or less based on the chart, and then using the indications to supplement my ideas from the chart. So that's another way to make money using Excalibvr. For your 2-week trial, go to www.gatewayqsecurity.com and use promo code YouTube. Can't wait to see you there.